What's going on, guys? It's James with the game, and it's Friday. Man, I've been running all week. You hear me? All week. It's been 95 or better out here. But staying hydrated. Got my gator light in the back. Somebody put me on the gator light. Course the water. And I'm eating a little bit big this morning because, guys, I've really, for the last, I'm gonna say 60 days almost, I don't eat breakfast. I might drink a smoothie in the morning, and that's really it. Like, and I still be out here working. Like, I've trimmed down crazy. I went from 219, I'm now 190. It's crazy. And I feel good too. But guys, listen, this heat is crazy. Like, I know I'm saying, yo, I'm running in it, but I'm sure your clients will understand if you say to them, hey man, listen, not today. I'll be there first thing in the morning. You know what I mean? So I'm doing my little 10 and I'm getting out the way. So that's what I got today. I got 10 to do. I actually had one of my clients, they like, hey man, look, it's super hot. You can stay, come another time, but I'm gonna cut that yard. Because don't bother me no more. You get used to it. As long as you eat, stay hydrated, it don't bother me. I'm in the shade right now at Dunkin' Donuts. I got my little refresher. I need $5 a day. I'm tripping. Almost $5 a day. I'm tripping. And me, I got my Mike's. I got my Mike's breakfast with the grits, with the turkey bacon, with the toast. So that's what I'm on right now. Because it's Friday, so I gotta go hard. So I gotta make sure I fill up a little bit. I got a nice little ride to the first property. So I should be good by the time I land. But yeah, guys, listen. There's no better time to start than now. If this is what you want to do. If this is what you want to do, start now. I don't care. You don't even need no money. You know what I'm saying? You don't even need any money, guys. Like, it's that real. I'm sure you got somebody in your family got a lawnmower they ain't using. Or if they is using, say, man, listen, we never gotta cut your yard again, Unc. I'ma cut it. But I need to borrow your mower. Man, yeah, man, listen, man. Telling me I might even cut you in. Nah, you cut his yard. You know what I mean? But there's so many ways to get into it, man. So I say do it. Don't play. When you get out here, go hard. All right? Yeah, it be hot. You gotta push. Do as many as you can. Tell the rest of the people, hey, I'll see y'all tomorrow. What they gonna do? Call somebody else? No, I'm your guy. You know? It's crazy out here. It's 9 o'clock. It's already 90 degrees. Come on. But cooler on deck, 3 bags of ice, 15. I got about 15 waters. I got 2 nice sized bottles of Gator Light. Those are like my power packs. You know what I mean? So I go real hard. Then when I feel like, drop one of them, ooh, right back at it. Go hard again, maybe around like 4 or 5 again, bam, drop another one. Just like that. You could do it. Oh, and this is very important. The hat. Block some of that sun, bro. You don't want all that sun on you. Also, I got my face mask. Put that on, headphones on, get busy. So that's what I'm doing today, guys. I'm about to get busy. I'm not gonna talk your head off too much. I know what I do. I get busy out here. And I'm showing y'all, I'm showing y'all what it is. Y'all see what it is. You gotta get to it. Gotta go hard. And you gotta be nice. Or at least know what you're doing. You know what I mean? But James with the game. I just want to tap in real quick with y'all. Talk my talk. We get ready to get to it, man. So it's Friday. Let's knock some yards out. Peace. Guys, so I'm at the next property. Terrible. They did me dirty. Did me dirty. Jesus.
So when you take me off schedule, right, that messes the whole dynamic of the situation up, right? So I cut 3 of her. I'm supposed to, all together it's 4 properties. She said, "Hey, just cut these 3." Did it, right? Week and a half later, "Hey, can you come cut the other property?" Damn. So I said, "I'll be here this day." Couldn't get there. The schedule crazy. So 2 days later, and you know this grass been like this. It ain't because of me procrastinating for 2 days. No way. But that's neither here nor there. And I gotta get up out of here. And I ain't gonna be able to record all day, but I'm definitely gonna get every property. That's a fact. So I'm gonna strap up, throw the mask on, throw the headphones on. Crazy. All right, guys. So I just finished up. It's the front. One more time. Slow mo. That's the front. I messed up a little bit, man, but it was too high. They can't be doing me like that. They did me dirty on this one. But it's just too much to do today, man. But we got a quick little walkthrough. All right. Quick little walkthrough. Cause we got to go. We got to go, baby. We got 12 more, man. We gotta keep it moving. I'm sorry. It's a little sloppy back here. I might gotta come back here real quick. Damn. Freaky Friday. It's Friday, man. Let's get it.
Free?
I take a rent.
Yeah, I bought it many years ago.
Yeah.
It's for ATVs.
Okay.
I put plywood in it.
Yeah.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
And I just saw you using that one with the things.
Yeah.
I already have the plywood in it,
Yeah.
and I'll give you the sand strips.
I take it. Yeah.
It was a couple $100, but I can't use it anymore because my truck's gone.
Right.
So I just saw you using it. If you want it, you've got it.
Okay.
It's heavy.
It's heavy though?
Well, it's not like, it's heavy-ish. It's folds.
Gotcha.
But you can run one of those big things up it if you ever wanted to.
Okay.
If you want to take a look at it.
Sure, I come take a look at it now. Why not?
I just don't do it. I'm gonna throw it out.
Yeah, sure. I appreciate it.
I just saw you doing that on the street. Yeah, I don't. You just pull it out.
Yeah.
Put your fingers. Get the tongue right there.
Yeah.
And then you can literally. Oh.
That's good. Man, it's real out here. I'm at the next property. Alright, it's not that bad. It's hot. Very, very hot. This is probably the most shade I'm gonna ever get. This is probably the most shade I'm ever gonna get. Excuse me, let's get to it. All right, so pretty much done. Pretty much. Just gotta get the front wheel out. We gotta keep it moving. It's too hot. Just gotta fix this little piece and be out of here. Whew. It's hot, bruv. Let's go. Old head blessed me with a new ramp, y'all. Oh, and he put the drones on there for me. Oh, yo, this guy's dope. Check out the new ramp. Shout out to that guy. I don't even know his name. I gotta go say thank you. Damn, that's dope. He put these on for me and he gave me some extra. Damn, man, that's a blessing. Man, I don't know who that guy is, but thank you. My ramp was definitely falling apart. It definitely was. So got the new ramp. We gotta get busy. See y'all in a second. Yo, It's real out here. It's like a $1.05. Well, it feel like a $1.05. It says 98, but it feel like 105. It's crazy. I had some shade right there. I get to park in some shade right here, so I'm at the next property already, guys. Like I said, man, it's all about your route density, man. Keep them routes tight, you good. Let me see what's up with my air. Look, the air not working. Tough. Yo, listen. I got at least, this joint dirty as shit. I got at least, let's see. God damn. You're gonna see how many I got left. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I still got 7 more to go. Damn. All right, guys. So I'm at the next property, corner property. Not that bad. It go all the way down there. We can already get it in. It's not that bad though. Still got a lot to do, but we gonna get it done. So, see you guys in a second. All right, so just finished up. I tell you what, the heat definitely knocks down your work ethic. I swear it do. Trying to run through this joint so fast, like I ain't going all the way down there, man. Y'all see what's going on. Man, just gotta go, bro. 6 more. Definitely be cut. Got my young boy with me today. I'm trimming, he cutting. You ready? Let's get it.
I remember which one.
Alright guys, so we at the next property, which is 2 lawns in one. We getting ready. Like I said, two yards in one. We just was down the street, was you know, so that's how we do it, keep them routes tight. We about to get started. Remember what I said, no, what you doing? Matter of fact, you start from that end because you can come over here and spin it
We're
around.
doing both houses.
Yes, so start from here and come that way. All right, see y'all in a second. All right, guys, so I got the edges. You got the cutting. We get ready to blow it and we out of here. We've been here for exactly 7 minutes. It usually take me about 45, man, so yeah, my young boys are really big help. Really big help. I'll see y'all in a second. All right, it's a wrap. Edges looking good. Everything, it can't be perfect all the time. I tell people that too. Everything can't be perfect. But the young buck did good. At the next property. All right, guys, so we over at the church. Trying to get it right for tomorrow. It need to be cut really bad too, so I got the youngin' on the mower, and I'm getting ready to get these bushes, and we out of here. Let's get it. I'm hitting these bushes up. The youngin' over here, he getting it in. Yeah, I know he tired. You all right? Take your time. Take your time. You almost got it. You might as well, yeah, take your time. It's hot, guys. It's burning up out here.
Still out there in the rain. It's pouring. You need to get back in here. It's pouring. Yo, when I say it's pouring out here.
All right, guys, so it's a wrap, man. Just got caught in the rain. It's a wrap. I don't like, so we're going to have to finish up tomorrow, Sunday, but I left the church halfway done, so it's hot as hell. We needed that rain. It feels so much better now out here. It's crazy. I know y'all see that rainbow behind me. That's beautiful. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. See y'all later, man. Good morning, top of the morning. Strange with the game. Right back out here Sunday morning. It rained on me real bad, so I gotta come back out here. I gotta do a bush over here. I gotta do the bushes over here real quick. And then I gotta just tighten up. I had my young boy cut everything yesterday, man. I think he did magnificent. But you always gotta go back with the weed whacker and get the edges. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. I'm getting ready to tighten this thing up before church start. I gotta be out of here by 9:45. They get here by 10. So I get myself 9:45 and then, so yeah, man, let's get it.